Hi everyone, welcome to Sodzi Digital. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any blurry photo under 1 minute. So let's get right into today's video. So I'm going to be showing you guys 2 apps that you can use to fix any blurry photo. So let's go. So all you have to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store and search Remini. The name of the first app that we're going to use to fix the blurry photo is called Remini. So this is the app. So after downloading it, all you have to do is to open the app. So let's wait for the app to load. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the app. So all you have to do is to import the photo that you want to use. Hold on. You don't need to subscribe or pay for anything. So I'm going to import the photo that I want to use. I'm going to be using this photo right here. So I've imported the photo. As you can see, this is the photo right here. So I'll click on it. All you have to do is to tap on the photo and click enhance. So as you can see, guys, look at the before. This is the before, this is the after. As you can see, this is a very good result, and all you have to do after enhancing your photo is to download. So yeah, so as you can see, saved in gallery. So you don't need to subscribe or do anything. So that's it. Let's check our gallery. As you can see, this is the photo right here. This is the before and this is the after. So let's get right into the second app. So the second app that we're going to be using is ChatGPT. So all you have to do is to open your app store. If you don't have ChatGPT, open your app store or your Play Store and download ChatGPT. So I'm going to open ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste the write-up that you are going to send to ChatGPT. So all you have to do first is to click on this plus and upload the photo you want to enhance or you want to fix. So I'm going to be using this for example. So I'll add it and I'll paste this write-up. I'm going to leave this write-up in the description. So I'll paste this write-up. All you have to do is to hit send and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. So as you can see, making the first draft. So this is the second app that you can use to enhance your photo or fix any blurry photo. So let's wait for it to load. Adding final touches. As you can see, guys, look at this is the after of, hold on, let me save it real quick. So I've saved it. I'll show you guys in my photo. As you can see, this is the before. This is the before image and this is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to follow or subscribe, guys. Peace.